Hi guys, so today I have this item to review for you. It just came in the other day from the auto ship program through HSN, but it's basically Crafter's Companions die. It says flip card die for the Precious Moments collection. This is what's so funny. It's called Precious Memories. All their packaging says Precious Moments, but if you look them up, they call it Precious Memories. And I think they went back and forth and maybe, I don't know what happened, but all the packaging says Moments. But if you go look up on their website or whenever they make videos, Crafter's Companion, it says Precious Memories. So whatever you'd like to call it. I think when I did the review video, I went back and forth with that because isn't Precious Moments those little dolls? They're super cute. Anyway, so I thought maybe that's why they couldn't use that. I have no idea. So this is the main book, and I already did a review on this, and I already returned the whole package just yesterday because it wasn't my thing. It makes the book this small, which is fine, and it's cute like for little brag books, but how many of these are you gonna make? Like, I'd rather make this by hand and just do a better job of like this binding. Like I said, the waterfall was fun at first, but then it stopped working so well. This one is probably my favorite. The pop-out die is pretty cool, but I already have a pop-out die from Anna Griffin and one from LDRS, so I don't really need this one, you know? I do like the purse that we talked about in the haul video when this came in. I do like this, but at the same time, I think I can show you guys how to make this on your own without any dies. Like, well, except for cutting this pretty part. But it's really just a rectangle of paper, you know, folded, cut right in half or folded in half. And then it has a little piece of paper that's kind of like folded in the middle, and then that middle, the two sections on either side, you fold those in the middle. And then you just stick it together just the way you would have if you had the die. And then you make a flap for it. So we can talk about that if you guys want a handmade one. I was thinking about making a video. I haven't made one in a long time of just making an album by hand anyway. So this one happens to be the flip card. So you can get these on Crafter's Companion by themselves now, .com. I believe if they haven't sold out or, you know. I am going to return this because this isn't anything I think I need to keep, but I'm just letting you know that from the top because, well, you know what, to be honest, sometimes I say that and then I use something, I'm like, ooh, I really like this. So, you know, maybe I'll change my mind. But for now, we will try it out. It's super basic. I don't really even think that we need a tutorial on this, to be honest, but you have your basic card. And it's a flip card, so as you push it together, this little area will flip. Okay, and then you have like an accent piece. There's some cute like kind of lotus flower looking stuff here. And it has a little pocket so you can put it in your book. So what I'm going to do is just cut the card base in this color, because I have it here. Oh, look at that. It'll fit perfectly there. And this is basically just a tutorial, quick review of it. A lot of times you can find some good pricing on Crafter's Companion site itself, so you might find it for better pricing. And we're just going to cut this out. So I'm going to run it through the Gemini Junior. So we have our cutting plate. I have my paper with the die face down into it. I'm going to use the metal plate, the magnetic shim, and the plastic shim, and then your other cutting plate. And let's roll that through. We're already getting to it. So I think this one's going to be pretty quick because it's pretty basic. Oh, I did want to mention in the envelope, where did I leave it? Oh, it's in the other room. In the envelope this came in through HSN, it also came with a little flap, a little page, and it basically had the instructions on how to use this. Kind of. It was just like, cut this, cut that, you know. And here we go. So it depends, well, let me put this main one away. What I do like about this though, if let's say I love this, you know, book and I want to continue making them, I do like that this comes with this other little piece right here. So at the edge of the book, on the outside, I used the little bubbly one that came in one of the sets. And you can put little stamps. They came with like little circle stamps that you can stamp in there. And so I made the outside have that little bubble feature, but everything else on the inside is just straight and flat on the edge of the pages. So what's cool about this is that you can use this same little piece right here, and when you go to cut your pages from, you know, actually they don't have a page die, do they? Isn't that one of my issues? I think you have to cut your paper at 4x6 like manually, but anyway, you can use this little piece at the edge of it and run it through, and now you have a nice decorative edge on the side there. Okay, so we're gonna use that. I'm just gonna cut out a random little purple piece here just because little accent for that middle part. So I'm gonna put this to the side. So as far as, this is pretty quick, to be honest. Okay, we are gonna cut out this black pocket too if it fits on here. It fits on here right now. So this is gonna make a little pocket so you can add the card to your book. So it's not just, you know, stuck down there. It's something you can slip it in there. So let me see. Yeah, I need to turn this. What I think is kind of cool about this is that you have a little pocket die. So now you have a die that makes like a little kind of pocket area, right? And you can just leave it like that, kind of sensible, no nonsense kind of going. But if you want, you can add in this piece here to make like a little lattice kind of look. So I'm gonna do that just so it can be a little extra. And I guess you have to eyeball that one. So I'm gonna try and place that there, and I'm gonna get my tape. Oh yeah, it's right in front of me. I told you guys I rearranged things so it's more in front of me than to the next to me, which is nice because my arms are more free to move around here. But now I'm like, where is everything? Okay. All right. Again, same sandwich, which is all the plates. And we'll run that through. And that's like the basic stuff that's in here. I'll point out a couple other dies that are in there. Very easy though, so that's nice. The only thing is right now through HSN with the auto ship, it was $30, just over $30, and I know I can get a better price than that on Crafters Companion's website. So I was like, eh. And I meant to skip it, and I totally forgot. It's because I haven't returned the stuff yet, so I was kind of just holding off and totally forgot to skip it. But that's okay. Let's take this off. Ay. I don't want to mess with that too much. Okay. And it cut pretty well, so that's nice. Let me put this to the side here. Was this like this? I don't remember. That's how we're going to put it. Okay. So there's also like a little key here. At least that's what it looks like. There's some really cute little like photo corners. So basically if you cut this out, it's going to make a little crease there for you. It's not cutting that piece out. So then you fold it back. So it's like a little photo corner, which are adorable. They're really nice. This is like a little belt buckle that's functional is what it looks like to me. Well, it cuts out this middle part. Well, because I know Leanne had made that purse and she made a buckle for it. And she's like, oh, the buckle is in a different stamp set. So, or it's different set. So it might be this one. And there's some tags, a cute shape here, a little square one, and this funky shape. So just some different things going on there for you to use. So let's just put this together. Oh my goodness, I need to clean my floor. I just threw all those little bits to the floor. All right. So let's say you had your book, and I'll bring back my book just so you can kind of see that. Oopsie. You would have this piece here. Should I close up a little bit? Oh, I don't like that. That's crooked. But if I move it like that, it looks straight now. Okay. So it has score lines that are nicely etched, so that's good. Again, this is just that cheap Recollections paper. I'm going to keep using it until I run out, guys, and then I'll stop using it. This black. It's so weak feeling. So there's that. Cute. And then we have our card here. And it's basically a perfect, what's the word? Like perfectly symmetrical. So if you wanted to go this way or this way, I guess that's up to you. You know what I'm saying? If you turn one, it's basically symmetrical. So I guess it depends. I guess you would pull it this way so it turns left. Because if you did it this way, you have to pull to the right. It just seems more like what somebody would do. And then you have your little decorations that you can put here. Let me see what they have in the pictures here, because that is kind of weird that you don't see anything cute until you open it. Yeah, they decorated that side. And then they're showing kind of how to use some of the other pieces, or basically to do that decorated side that I showed you there. But yeah, so when it's closed up, it doesn't look as cute. Oh. So that goes right in there. I guess if you wanted to do another one on the other side when you have it closed up, but then it's just going to look like an odd shape. So this is a little bit odd. Am I doing this wrong? I mean, it looked like this, right? If you had it on the other way. So there's your little card. And let's say you had your book here. Did I put the book away already? No. So this is basically the book size. It's a 4x6 album, but it's exactly 4x6. So if you put a picture in here or a photo, it's basically 4x6. It takes up the whole page. There's no reason to even decorate a page. Okay, so there it is. That's one of the reasons I'm like, let's pretend that I didn't do anything here. I don't know. So you have a little pocket. Yep, it goes a long ways because it don't fit the other way. And you would put glue obviously on these 3 edges here and then hold it down. And then you have your little pocket for your card that goes in this way. I guess you could put it this way if you wanted, but it's going to be sticking out of the book. So you have to kind of pocket it this way. And then you have your little pocket. So that's it, guys. Super basic. I mean, really quick tutorial or review. However, I mean, the die's cut perfectly, which is nice, but it's just not my cup of tea. So I'm just obviously going to return this one and go ahead and cancel the auto ship. There is one item through HSN's auto ship for the Precious Memories that supposedly Crafter's Companion is not going to have. And I believe it's like a card that opens up. I think she calls it the explosion card, but it just opens out. So we'll see. But there it is. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at the next one. All right, bye now.